King Sikor ruled the high skies, while Maimonde ruled the rich land below. The kings disagreed on the borders. Sikor wanted high land, Monde wanted low sky. Maimonde is furious. He declares war. We will rule both the sky and the land. The eagle troop attacks from above. They use speed and talons to intimidate the enemy.
Retreat, quickly!
The feather troop refuses to surrender. They form a defense with their wing shields. Maimonde sets a trap. They use nets to catch the low-flying birds.
Stop them, you
King
idiots!
Sikor sees
Don't
his
let
friend
them
trapped.
escape my sight!
He leads the rescue attack. King Sikor lands to confront Maimonde directly. Courage versus aggression.
Let us live in
Maimonde
respect,
realizes
brother.
he can't win the sky.
Boundary stands.
He agrees to
Yes.
retreat and only
Peace
protect his
between our
land.
lands.
The two kingdoms learn to coexist. Peace is maintained between the land and the sky.